Robots are getting smarter, but what if one literally grew its own brain? Scientists have started wiring tiny lab-grown mini-brains, called organoids, into robots. Yep, real neurons connected to circuits, teaching machines to learn like living creatures.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
These mini-brains come from induced pluripotent stem cells, cells that researchers can reprogram into almost anything. A landmark 2013 Nature study by Lancaster and colleagues showed how these cells can form brain-like structures. Traditional robots follow lines of code, but organoid-powered robots use biological neurons that fire, adapt, and get better through experience. Think of it like a tiny brain in a dish. It receives sensory input, fires off electrical signals, then adjusts its behavior based on feedback. Just like you learning to ride a bike, but way slimier. In fact, in 2022, scientists made a neuron organoid play Pong. The neurons learned patterns from the game and improved over time. Yes, the brain blob gained better than half my friends. By connecting organoids to robots, researchers create a closed-loop system. Robot senses, organoid processes, robot acts. This helps scientists study learning in a physical environment. Researchers like those from the University of Tokyo have shown that organoids can control basic robot navigation. Neurons fire when the robot sees an obstacle, and the robot adjusts its path. It's biohybrid robotics, half machine, half mush. These systems are early, fragile, and often unpredictable. But the exciting part? The organoids seem to learn faster than expected. But of course of ethics. Organoids aren't conscious. Current ISSCR guidelines say they don't have enough structure for sentience. Still, as they get more complex, scientists are asking the right questions. The future could include organoid-based computing, disease modeling with robot bodies, or super efficient biological AI. Just don't picture Terminators with brain jello helmets. This field, called organoid intelligence, is still tiny, but growing fast. Using real neurons to solve complex problems might give us new insights into both AI and biology. One thing's certain, if your robot starts asking for snacks, it might be time to worry. Would you trust a robot with a biological brain? Tell me in the comments. And stay curious, because the future is getting weirder and smarter.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.